morning, everybody. It's Friday, July 10th, about 6 o'clock in the morning, and I am headed to Kasilof Beach to go dip netting and get some salmon. It's one of the privileges we have as a resident in Alaska to go down and dip net salmon as they swim in to go spawn in the local rivers. There's a handful of rivers you can do it around the state still. And I'm fortunate enough to live a few miles down the road from the Kasilof Inlet. If it wasn't for being able to dip net salmon, I don't know if me and my wife would survive the long winters up here. We put a lot of food away by canning or freezing, vacuum sealing and freezing. So we always have something to eat during the winter when, the snow's so deep we can't get out of our house. We live so far away from town. I'm joking because we live on the Kenai Peninsula on the road system, and we're no more than about 20 minutes from a grocery store. So you take that for what it's worth. Not all of Alaska is middle of nowhere. We are in the middle of somewhere. Yeah, stay tuned, folks. I'll give you a quick rundown on dip netting salmon in the Kasilof River Inlet. Yeah, we are on the south side of the Kasilof River Inlet. Looks like we have someone stuck already down here this morning. Hopefully you can see it right there.
Am I gonna be on your video? Oh shoot! Oh! Look at this guy! Oh no, get in there! You got it! Oh!
Oh, buddy! Hey everyone, that's a wrap for the 2026 dip netting season for me. Hope you guys got an idea from the video what dip netting's about. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just stand in the water with a big net, let the fish swim into it, drag the net up to the beach, and put them in your cooler. Take them home and process them however you like to process your fish. And remember, it's for Alaskans only. Stay tuned because I'm headed back out in the woods and there's a moose right here. Hopefully she stays on the side of the road and doesn't try to cross. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, go like and subscribe, and I'll have some more videos here soon.